Here is a hopefully quick, know-nothing video about the stream encoder computer in the second low-end radio studio that I've got set up here. It's got a bit of a problem. You'll notice that it does absolutely nothing. I wanted to go use it one Tuesday night, and this is what I was greeted with. Well, here's the machine. See, it's another one of these Q87M things. I don't know if that's a 4770 or 4790. It's not really important to our discussion. I'd love to replace this video card with something a little better than an FX 1800, but, you know, if it works, I might as well leave it alone, right? This is the subject of my ire, though, because this does not work. Alright, out with the old, which actually does smell a little burnt, and in with the new. Hopefully this is going to work, because that actually didn't go in there very nicely. I'm not sure if something is slightly tweaked with this case or what. I guess we'll find out. Maybe it'll explode violently for your viewing pleasure. Okay. Keep getting zapped off of this. I don't know why. I'm sure that's an omen. Okay. We got another problem. Well, that's stupid. It's working with one RAM stick. What is this crap anyway? This is old crap. Turn it off. Let me see if maybe I can find some other RAM somewhere. I think I've got a machine kicking around here somewhere that's got different memory. This is... what is this junk anyway? This might only be like 1333. So maybe it's worth an upgrade. Okay, I've robbed Peter and paid Paul here. Got some different RAM. No, you're still having problems. That's good RAM, so I don't understand what your issue is, other than the fact that you're just a piece of crap. Yeah, piece of crap. I don't understand, like I said, this is working stuff that was working fine. And I do not understand why I can run these with one memory module and they're okay. But yet this stupid thing won't take two. Except now it works. Wow, that's awful. I didn't change anything. Guess the RAM slots on this board are loose. What a surprise. I hate these stupid Q87 boards. I have my encoder back. At least I have it back for now. I will be swapping out that motherboard with something else because that one is clearly busted. Okay. I booted it. We can see the specifications. You can see there 4770. I think if I remember right, I tried putting a 4790 on that and it didn't work. Yeah, the RAM changed. See, that went up a little bit. Because it's now got DDR3 1600 in it as opposed to 1333. So that was a nice little performance boost. Nice little upgrade there. This system is probably going to get a different board anyway. I have a that VM host. One of the VM hosts over there is still running an old 4790, and I'm probably going to upgrade that to a 7700. Mostly for the TDP drop, but also because I want it to be more reliable. And then this system will probably get that board, because clearly we have a stability problem. And I'm guessing it's because those RAM slots are loose, or just covered in crap. So I could probably shoot some deoxit at this thing and it might work a little better, but it's a friggin' Q87M from 10 years ago. Who cares? I'd rather just replace the thing, get another board and replace it. So, but of course it's got to have PCI because I have the PCI capture device in there. I kind of need that, so that's why I'm using this old piece of junk, but I guess it's fixed for now. Turn it off and we'll see if it actually powers on again the next time I want to go use it. Probably not, but oh well.